Guys, Sean here today with a quick tip to help your social media posts stand out among the rest using an app called Legend. And so today we're going to use an example to market our own upcoming workshop on starting your small business. So pull out your phone and go to the Google Play or the iTunes Store and search for Legend. Download and install the app, open it up and add your text. I'm going to add the date and time for our upcoming workshop, January 24th at 9:30. And it gives you the option to add a picture. So I'm going to add a picture of our flyer and hit next. And shablamo. There you have a number of animated posts that you can now hit preview. And you can see you can download them. So I'm going to download it and I'm going to save it to my phone for later. I'm going to post it to my social media. And that's it. It's a pretty cool app that we wanted to share with you. And if you like what you've seen here today, please like, comment, and share below. But we hope to see you at our upcoming workshop on starting your small business to talk about more tips. But until then, thanks for watching.